How to deposit check in Chase app 2025. Step by step on how to solve this problem.
Step 1. Ensure you have all necessary information, such as account details and any required payment methods. Step 2. Open the official website or mobile application related to the service. Step 3. Log in with your existing account or sign up if you are a new user. Step 4. Find the relevant section in the menu or homepage of the website or app. Step 5. Fill in all necessary details as requested in the provided fields. Step 6. Proceed with the steps displayed on the screen to continue the process. Step 7. Review your details and submit the request to finalize the process. Step 8. If you encounter issues, try refreshing the page, clearing cache, or contacting support. Step 9. You have successfully completed the process. If needed, check for confirmation emails or notifications. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love to have you as part of our growing community. Start by subscribing to the channel. Next, don't forget to leave a like if this video was helpful. And finally, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you'll always be the first to know when a new video drops. Your support not only helps the channel grow, but also inspires us to keep delivering amazing content just for you. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.